Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to delete WeChat account permanently. So for that, you must first own the application and you must have account in your WeChat application. I already have both, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my WeChat application. So once you tap on your WeChat application, you get to this page where you'll have to go and tap at the profile icon at the bottom right. You'll have to go and tap on the settings option. Now you'll have to go and tap on account security option. You'll have to go and tap on WeChat Security Center. So once you tap there, now you'll have to go and tap on account cancellation option. This is a request for account cancellation. You'll have to read all the information here, and if you still want to cancel, you have to go and tap on request cancellation. So once you tap there, again you'll have to read all the information. It says that the contact will be permanently deleted and group chat will be permanently deleted and post, favorites, everything will be deleted. If you still want to delete, you'll have to tap on next. Now the WeChat will send notice which says that cancellation is an unrecoverable operation. If you still want to delete, you'll have to go and tap on agree and confirm cancellation. So once you tap there, the cancellation request has been accepted and the WeChat team will process your request and delete any data on your account within 15 days. So that is it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for joining in.